There we go!
Room for 4
4
days.
nights.
5 days and 4 nights. So, yun.
Welcome to Marina Bay Sands! Andito na yung mga luggage namin. Yay!
Open the light.
Madala. Hey Siri!
Bathroom mirror. Main bathroom. Ito.
Main bathroom.
Ayun! O, diba?
Hallway.
Ano?
Pinatay natin yung hallway. Bathroom mirror.
Ulitin. Papatay. May,
Ang ganda!
So, yun.
Ito naman si Ayam.
Marina Bay, 18th floor. Ay, ang ganda ng view natin! Yung yung lights. Ay! Ano to? Paano buksan to? Di ba hindi mo alam? Oh. Ano to? Ano nga kasi atag dito?
Please keep door locked when balcony is not in use. To save energy, the air conditioner will switch off when the door is open.
It's okay.
De. Ay, bongga!
Oh my God! Ang ganda ng view! Wow! Ay, grabe! Ito yung view namin, guys. Grabe, ang ganda! Oh my God! Grabe, ang ganda! Parang naiiyak tuloy ako. Grabe! Ito yung view natin for 4 nights. 5 days, 4 nights. Grabe, ito yung first night namin. Grabe, ang ganda!
Grabe si Ayam!
Grabe, guys! Nakakabaliw! Diba?
Yes. Dear Mr. Ernesto Raimundo Jr. Montano and Miss Yutok Jeneline Tenedero, welcome to Marina Bay Sands, a landmark destination in the heart of Singapore's vibrant city district. Charot. Kalaw talaga. Senior Vice President of Hospitality, Tane Picken. Welcome to Marina Bay Sands. May ganyan-ganyan pa pala. Galing.